Welcome back again to Wise Choice channel, everybody. Today, Mr. Wise Choice is always cooking up a star. Today I'll be doing some curried shrimp. So I got my shrimp here, all shelled off. Take off all the shell off them, clean it up, washed up, and real nice, So I'll be using my better pack curry. As usual, I'll be adding some 2 pack of Maggi fish seasoning, my usual seasoning. I got my scotch bonnet pepper, my scallion, my bell pepper is in here, red and green, scallion, thyme, garlic. Wise Choice always, I love his garlic. And I have a little black pepper and some salt that I'll be adding into this thing. So this is basically the ingredients of the curry shrimp. So just check it out as I'll be putting in everything and seasoning up. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be adding a teaspoon of pure sea salt. About 1 teaspoon. Yeah, so that is that. I normally just like to judge my black pepper though, but it's normally about a half teaspoon of black pepper, but I like to just judge it like this, not much. Yeah, that's it. Then I'll be adding one of my Maggi fish seasoning to start. And I'll be needing all of that. Yeah, nice. Got that, peeps? Yeah, man. Working the shrimp right nice, Season them down real good. Then now I'll be adding in my better pack curry. Rub that in once again, peeps. This is like about a pound and a half to a pound and a half of shrimp. Yeah. So peeps have to bring the good content to you guys, so I have to go hard, I have to go hard and done. Go Mr. Wise Choice do it, Yeah, so that's looking good. That's looking good. Yep. So now, as I said, I have my season here. My scotch bonnet pepper, my bell pepper, green, red, onion, garlic, and thyme. Alright? So I'll be adding all of that. And working it in. Yeah, peeps, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, real nice. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Well seasoned. Well seasoned. Yeah, man, this is curry shrimp. Mr. Wise Choice style. This is how I do it. This is how I did. Alright, so I'm going to just make this sit for 5 minutes. Then to be going in my frying pan again with some coconut oil. Check it out. Yeah, my peeps, as usual, whenever we're doing curry, I always like to burn a little curry first, Yeah, so we'll do it. Make that one burn in. So we'll do it in Jamaica, burn the curry. Yeah, man, that's how we do it. Burn the curry before, we add our whatever meat or thing, whether it's chicken, beef. You know, you can all curry pork too. Goat, yeah man. So we do it, so that looks good. So I'll be adding in my shrimp and seasoning now. Oh yeah, babes, I added 2 cup of pimento also in it also, you know. Come on, pimento also gives this a nice flavor. Yes, this is how we do it. Curry shrimp, Yardman style, Mr. Wise Choice style. Look at that, peeps. Looking so pretty. And you want to smell this, the aroma what is coming off this people. Trust me, people, you want to smell this aroma. So right now, I just be adding a little water. So a little water to this. Just cook down. Mr. Wise Choice style. Got that, people. Wow. Yeah, man. Original curry shrimp. You don't get it any better than here. Yeah, man. So check it out when it's cooking on, peeps. Yeah, peeps, all finished now. All finished now. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Yeah, man, curry shrimp. Yeah, man, looking real good. You want to smell this aroma, peeps, man. I tell you, believe you me. It's looking lovely. So, once again, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. So, check it out when we have plated this. And I'll be doing it with some some mashed Irish potatoes. So check it out when you see it, peeps. Yeah, man. Blessed love. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. But I really appreciate it to grow this channel, because you know we're working hard to put out the content. So I really like it to share to somebody, make somebody know about Wise Choice channel. And I really appreciate it because I'm working hard, you know, to put out the content. So I really appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks again. Peeps. So, this is the finished product. Curry shrimp, Yardman style. As I said, I told you before, I was doing some with some mashed Irish potato. You know, I got some lettuce, some salad, tomato, and my cucumbers. So, this is it. Wise Choice. This is how we do it. Wise Choice channel. This is how it is. Mr. Wise Choice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it, peeps. Once again, thanks for watching. Curry shrimp.